Hello guys, welcome in another video. Today we will be trying out the new graveyard update and I'm in my studio. But yeah, I'm gonna switch over to the first camera mode, so I'll see you there. And here we are in game in first person camera. I didn't use this because like in the new graveyard update there's a lot of like fighting things that wouldn't do that good, but I got all my items, so let's go. Yo! A gorilla thing? Yeah, I'm too broke. Yo.
I'm coming back.
Yo. I just forgot I don't have any weapons. Oh god. Guys, I need a... Oh god. Guys! I need a weapon! Did somebody say?
Help!
Come here! I got you!
Ow.
I got you! What are these graves things? Oh yeah, the graves. Hang on.
Nobody come to the living room of Creed. Go to the living room. Did he drop a... Yeah.
Okay. I'm super heavy though.
Protection.
Mine! I gotta mine my grandma's grave!
Nah. Yes.
Oh my gosh! Give me my shovel! My shovel! Where's my shovel? My shovel!
Oh my... What the... I just saw...
Don't know what my shovel is! Where's my shovel?
Come here, boy. Hey, why you hit me? I'm super low. I'm gonna go ask for teleporter gun so I can...
Oh dang! Oh! Golden skull! Golden skull! I got a golden skull!
You got golden skull?
Yo! Wait, I gotta put it in the fire! Don't I gotta put it in the fire?
Nobody come backstage. I protect you.
Golden skull! Golden skull! Golden skull! Golden! It's gold! Oh, it's in the fire!
I'm gonna ask for it.
Guys, I got the golden skull! What do I do? Do I put it in the fire?
Yeah, put it in the fire.
Okay. Ah! Pomo, I don't have a shovel! Oh my god, that's so good! This gate did like half of it, dang. God. I don't know what that was, but... Guys! Somebody, I need a pickaxe! I need to mine my grandma's grave! I need to mine my grave out, I might die! Give me a shovel! Oh god. Please tell me here. Okay. This is what he's gonna do. Ah!
Does anybody have a teleporter gun? I can... Okay.
Dang it. Come on, hand. Just give me my shovel.
Gonna tell you
No shovel. Whoa! Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh god. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Break it! not lose my eye. How are you hitting me?
This is boiling.
Oh god.
Bro, you suck at the game like, bro, just get reported, bro. Just get. Bro, you. I reported you and I can pay.
Oh god. Dude! Kill that guy! Yes!
I got you, bro.
But I'm literally at 1 HP.
Bro,
I gotta mine this fast. My shovel! How about you get a shovel? Oh my god! I'm at 1 HP! 1 HP! Oh my god! No!
I am new company, guys.
Go! I gotta go! If you guys have not subscribed, I will beat you. Guys, I got my shovel! Guys, my shovel!
wait.
Guys,
Bruh.
guys, I survived my
two,
shovel.
1.
Wait, is there any new items?
Yeah.
You got some
Yeah.
recent points? Let me see. What is it? And hatchet. I'm gonna get the hatchet. Since it's a new item, I'm gonna get the hatchet. So it's right beside the flashbang, which is right. No. No, that's the bad end. Is that the bone?
Don't kill me.
Oh, wait.
Get over in the Bro,
Isn't
I
this
didn't
where
go to
the flashbang is?
I didn't stop.
Yeah. And
Oh,
then the hatchet. Hatchet's down here. Okay. No, so.
I want to give you water. Okay? You know,
Whoa! Let's go, hatchet! Wait, what was the other good new item? I think it was a sword. Well, I can't get that. But. Oh god. Oh! Hulk's gloves? Maybe, Is that, that's a bone.
Stop killing me. Yes, bone killing is crazy.
You know what? I could probably. No, next time when I get those, I can now get revolver. There's 3 and I have 1. Okay. Guys, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be trying out the new graveyard update, but since there was new items, I went over here. So yeah, let's go home. Let's go back. Let's try out the hatchet. Let's try out that hatchet.
I've been on butterfly.
And weapons. Yo, God, my hatchet.
Hey, I'll be my butterfly.
Oh, dang
I'll
it.
be my.
Dude, I got a hatchet.
Okay, what was it called?
Yo, I got
I'll be
Dude,
my
do not
butterfly.
hit him. It's bloody. Like, if you... Hang on, guys.
Do you know me winners, Rob?
There we go.
Oh, no, him.
Guys, we gotta go back to the graveyard.
40 seconds. So, is anyone gonna tell him this meme is dead?
Okay. Yo, is anyone in the graveyard? I'm at the graveyard.
From the screen
Yo.
to the ring
Wait,
to
to
the back to the king.
No. What? Okay. Wait, I know I can dig faster. Okay.
Hey, baby, what?
Come on, Grandma, give me your bones.
Guys, a blood zombie. It's zombie.
Coming! Coming! Zombies! Shovel! 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 Shovel!
That's not me.
I'm coming! Don't worry! Shovel!
Ow.
Everybody.
Hide in the grave!
Guy with a umbrella killing you people. Oh,
Ow.
I got you! I got you! Come here! Got you.
I'll be my girlfriend. I'll be my boyfriend. I'll be my boyfriend.
Hey, you gotta get out of here. I'm trying.
Found the key.
Okay, go up. Go up. I'm trying to mine. Hey, get up there before I hit you with my shovel.
Ouch.
There you go.
Ah. Zombies. He found zombies. I'll be my girlfriend.
Don't worry.
I will be my girlfriend.
What?
I'll be my girlfriend.
No, heck no. Oh, I got these. I got these.
Ah, help me. Help me, please.
everybody.
Help me, please.
Ah!
Go to the place where there's a lot of space. It's next to Carson Roller State. But go there.
Hey, dude, let me go.
Go to the stash.
Okay, dude, go back. Go back up. Let me get the bones.
Only one person at a time. If you come the fastest, then you're getting one thing better than every
Now full backpack.
item. No scam, no.
Okay, I'm coming. I got head over to the fire. Oh, I'm so heavy.
Timmy, you win, Timmy. You can.
Don't leave them. Leave them over here. I'm so heavy. I'm so heavy. Oh yeah, I get that.
They found a key.
Bro, I think I got possessed.
We must put this all in the fire. Grab. Oh.
Did Brosky really just try to kill me, bro?
Yeah, how far do we have so far? Wait, are we finished? No, we need more bones! Okay, dude, you stay here. Don't. You stay here. I'll go get some more bones. What about everyone, we're about to summon the boss in the graveyard. Come help us. Guys, if you don't subscribe, I will come to your house and tickle your toes at night.
No key. It's not a key. Get a key. Get a key.
Oh yeah, the key.
Yes. Get your pin the boop out. Pin the boop out.
Oh, where's my
Pin the boop out.
grappler at?
It's one right there.
Where's my grappler at? Lost my grappler. Oh god. I lost my grappler!
Just give a gun. Can I have my thing back? Back.
Head over here! Head back to the fire! Beware at the fire when we summon the boss! It will be deadly! Oh! Oh! We gotta get more people to help us. Guys, we need help. We need help. The zombie king's in there. The zombie person.
Good, do it again.
That king, the boss person's in there.
I'm coming.
I need a grappler. I don't have my...
Like this?
I know you wanted to.
I'm going in. Guys, I'm heading in there. I'm heading in there. Guys, the boss is here. The boss is here. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's Sonic. They see us. I'm completely out of my boundary, oh God.
I am the best harbor boy. They make it
No. Got it. Oh crap. No. No.
Okay, friend.
Well, guys, this is for this video. Hope you had fun watching. But bye, guys. Peace out.